New services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here is 6.5 Honda Gx200. The machine itself is just electric start system. The charger there. Now remember that obviously on this side of it, don't put a full charge in. All it's doing is trickle charging. Always remember to turn the key off when it's not being used. Also, a little thing, don't put loads of keys on there because you can damage with the vibration the actual barrel of the lock itself. So, same as normal. You've got your system here, you've got your fuel turned on, then you've got the choke. So choke on the system itself when it starts. You've got your revs, full revs. This is a reduction gearbox for the pump itself. He's only running at 1450, that's the W154 inter pump with a reduction gearbox. Flow sensitive and loader like always. Never let it go out without, and won't let it go out as well without primer frost valve. So that primer frost valve is always open. If it's key start, it's taking the strain off the starter, but it's also, if you come to pull start it, no strain in there. Frost protected. Also dump returns. When you let go of the trigger, the water returns back to the tank, so it's on flow and return setup. Quick releases. Suction tub filter, 10 metre hose gun and lance, and that's the Honda Gx200. Machine itself is doing 150 bar at 14 litres on this spec. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Always make sure you keep your fuel nice and clean. Oil level, you can actually see it there on that side as well. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers,